Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all safe. This is Abhishek reporting from the Bangalore and welcome back to my channel. And today I'm going to ride a Yamaha RX100 which I bought last week. So I was searching Yamaha RX from last 3 to 4 months. Oh. So I was searching with my friends and the whom I know, the mechanics and all. So I saw a couple of bikes with them, and they were not up to the mark because the engine was little bit what do you call, the clutch plug was gone and the look was, it was pathetic. So I didn't bought those bikes, and moreover my main criteria was to buy with the owner. So the one who is selling the bike should be on his name. That is all I wanted, because if something happened by mechanically, you see, for example, if something happened with the engine, I can make it right. It will be cost less compared to four strokes. And yeah, that was my main criteria. And after 4 months, I didn't got even a single bike, guys, except those two which I rejected. So what I did, I started searching in a OLX. So finally I got this bike. I saw the ad, and I called the person who posted this ad. So I had a word with him on the same day regarding the documentation and how is the bike condition and all. So he said everything is fine, bike is on his name. So I told him that I'll come next day to buy the bike if everything is fine. So I am going to buy then and there. So he said okay. So next day, me and my friend went in his bike. So we waited for him for a half an hour. After that, he came, and the deal is done then and there. The Again we bought the bike back to my hometown, not in a Bangalore. It's in a Chikbalapur. So I bought it here, and in the same day evening, I went to the workshop and I gave it to the mechanic who does the two-stroke bike. So he said that we have to do the engine for the safer side. So I said it's okay, do the engine, because I don't want to face any issues in between the road. So I told him to do the full engine. After that, after he removed the engine, I we got to know that the bore is fully ported, and the bore size is 1.25. So usually what happens, the bore size initial from the factory will be 0. After that, if you do bore one time, it will come to 0.25, then 0.5 and 0.75, 1, 1.25, 1.5, 1.75 and 2 and 2.2. That is the last bore size you can put on the engine, I mean the cylinder. After that, you have two options. One is sleeve. You can put another sleeve so that it will start again from the 0, or you can change the bore. So according to me, putting the sleeve on the same bore is the waste. You can't, you won't get that much pickup, and the mileage both will be less. So other thing, what you can do is you can buy another bore and you can install it. And then you have two options in that. One is new bore and one is used bore. So getting a new bore is a bit challenging because the manufacturing is not there from the Yamaha. You will get some other models like Goids or some Escort bore, something like that. So those are like 4,100 or 4,200 bucks for the new bore. Okay, and you won't get that much efficiency and the pickup, and the same thing, mileage, everything will be less. And if you ride it like more harshly, then again those bores will get seized. So it's better, I thought it's better to change the bore with the original one, but I don't want to buy a new one. So I searched for the second hand used bore in 4 or 5 places in the Shivajinagar and the Hindupur, the Tumkur and the Mysore. So I didn't got one. After that, after 4 or 5 days, I got a call from the mechanic itself that we another mechanic have the bore in the Hindupur. So me and my uncle went there and we bought that and we installed it. Everything is done. And After that I bought a meter because the speedometer was not there, so we have installed. Sorry, it's not running now because we have to give the connection. The worm is also went off. In my hometown we won't get that any parts, so we didn't install that. So in next videos you will see that working. And after that I bought the bike back to my home, and I found out that average is very less because the carburetor was also from some local company. It was not much good. The pickup was good. I'm not denying that, but the my average which I was getting, it's around 14 to 15 kilometers per liter, which is very less in the Yamaha RX original bore. So I thought to change that as well. Now I have changed that the carburetor also with the original one, and now I am getting 40 kilometers, around 40 kilometers per liter. So this is the story of my Yamaha RX100, and those footages which I took while buying the bike, they are getting edited, and you are going to get those videos as well soon. So that's it for today, guys. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and encourage me to do more videos like this.